Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Alright, so first off, we're only going to use one account on My Lead Gen Secrets because most people when they start with My Lead Gen Secrets or in the $25 business or My Lead Gen Secrets and anything else in general, they usually only use one account, and I'm trying to show you the type of results you can get with just one account using My Lead Gen Secrets here and some YouTube because you guys sign in under me, and I thank y'all for that. So yeah, I'm trying to show you can build up an income. So you may have more than this, you might have less than this, but this should be the general idea of the income you would make if you signed up and did what I show on the on my videos. Alright guys, so if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. The links are in the description below. Alright, we'll get started. Alright, so first off, let's talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business, because it's essentially a very well made funnel builder, and it's easy to work with, easy to mess around with, easy to manage, easy to connect domains to it, easy to create attractive looking subdomains, and so on and so forth. Just a bunch of stuff that you don't have any limitations on, like how many pages are in your funnel. You can make a 28-page funnel if you want to. I don't know why you do that, but you can do it. Okay. Yeah, there's just no limitation to it for $25. That's incredible, impressive for anybody who bought a funnel or tried using a funnel. That's incredibly impressive, because the most popular funnel builder out right now is ClickFunnels, and it's $97 per month. All kinds of limitations to it, like even how many people can see your funnel. I think that's kind of crazy. And if you want to get rid of a limitation such as that, you need to pay the $300 per month. And I used to do that. I ain't doing that no more. That was just crazy. All right, guys. And the second reason why I like promoting $25 business, and I think the reason that most people are interested, such as I was interested in this product, is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. That is absolutely insanity, guys. To show you how powerful 80% recurring commissions is, the highest I have seen is 40% recurring commissions. 40% recurring commissions is considered really, really good. Think about that. So 80% is ridiculous. All right, guys. Those are the reasons there, and I think that's great and grand and all that type of stuff. And I just think this is an easy way to make money, guys. On the side, it only take a couple minutes a day. Anyway, guys, let's look at our results. We're gonna refresh the page here and see what's going on. All right, okay. It looks like we got a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Nice, man. It looks like my little losing streak finally broke. I'm so happy for that. So we got some more sales in, which is great. I feel great about that. I tell you that, man. I feel amazing about that. But okay, so anyway, guys, we're gonna oh, I can't show the stuff. I'm sorry about that. Make sure people refresh the page when they show you, just in case. You know what I mean? Because it's easy to fake results on these pages. Easy to turn all these numbers around. See, I can add zeros. I can add zeros to all of these and make it look way bigger than it actually is. So when you refresh the page, you show real results. That's why I say do that every time. All right, guys, make sure you do that. Make sure you test that. But anyway, guys, let's get moving over here to my secrets here. We're gonna go ahead and click on mailing system. We're gonna click on select all like we always do. And we're just gonna go to our next email here. We already got them lined in, so all we gotta do is just go to the next one, guys. Right here. That's the next one. The next one we send. Just that simple, guys. And if you want to copy, you can just copy it. It's right there. Look how short it is. That's all it is. And you put your link right here, like I got mine there. And the link you want to use, real quick, you want to use the all-in-one $25 bill. That's the one I send. You can send anyone you want, but That's the product I'm promoting. All of these products are 80% recurring, by the way. 80%. I ain't gonna say 80% recurring because I'm not entirely sure, but 80%. So that's why you want to be in this product. Even if you don't promote the $25, that's why you want to be in this system anyway. So you can promote all of these other products as well. Anyway, guys. Yeah, we're gonna hit perfect time. What perfect timing does, send the email around time people check the emails. So it's real, so they don't, you know, erase it by mistake or something. Just don't feel like looking through the email list or whatever. Anyway, make sure you preview and make sure your link works. I know mine works because this link is in here, so I know it works. So we're gonna send an email just like that, guys, and we are done. That's all it takes, guys. About 5 minutes. That took me about 5 minutes. That's because I'm talking to you guys and showing you guys this. But say you are doing it on your own, it'll probably take you like a minute or two to get this done every day, and it makes you an extra $300 to $600. I think it's worth, man. So far, it's making me an extra 600. Last month it was 600. I think it's worth. But anyway, guys, if you're interested in following along, like I stated before, make sure to check the links in the description below. They'll show you exactly what to do. I'll show you exactly what to do in this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.